What's up, friends? Hope you guys are great today. I just got home from work and got this in the mail from Amazon. So I mentioned in my last video, I think I mentioned, if not, I meant to, that I was going to add a blade to the Husqvarna 322L. You see me replace the carburetor and got it purring like a new one. So watch me put this blade on, see what it sounds like. Renegade Blade, carbide. You got two sizes, arbors included. So there's the green one, and I'm not really sure. It's got some scratches on it. So I assume that's going to end up rusting. I bet it's just the tips that's carbide. So one of them has 44 teeth and the other one has 56 teeth. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the 44 teeth. Let me just clean this up a little bit, get this junk off of there. It'll fit in there better. You guys probably can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just using my knife to clean this up so it sits flatter. Alright, so slide that on there. Now, it turns from this direction, so it turns like this. That means it needs to go on like so. And I guess I won't need do the trick. That guard doesn't need to be that far. Guys, now I got me a good setup. I kind of wish that this was a little closer to the blade, or the blade was even bigger, but that'll make, this will be really good for cleaning up. All of that. I had it cleaned up once before, but I swear if you don't do it every year, it just really grows up on you. Guys, thanks for watching the second part of this video. Next time, I hope to get this thing up in the fence row way up there. But until then, y'all take care and God bless.